Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you quite a lengthy-ish video on just the different circle drawing commands that we have within AutoCAD. So first of all, we're going to start with center radius. So let's just put our center anywhere, it doesn't matter. So now it's asking us for the radius of the circle. So we're going to choose, say, 500 mil, and that is how you draw your first circle using the radius. Then if we go back to the drop-down menu, we can choose center and diameter. So let's choose another center. Now it's asking for the diameter. And if I do the same diameter, obviously, if I do the same figure, 500, but it's diameter this time, 500 mil, that is now a 250 radius circle. So that is that one. What we'll do now is I'll delete these. And we'll do the 2-point circle. So specify the first point of this diameter. And now we can type it in. So it's got 1000 mil. And that's how you do the 2-point circle drawing. And if we do the 3-point, it's very similar. So we will pick that, then we'll do 1000 again. We'll just make sure that's nice and straight. 1000 mil, and then 1000 mil. So that's the 3-point. So it's asking for the top, the bottom, and the side. As you can see, the 3 points there. So now we'll delete them, and now we come to, I need to draw a little thing, a little guide here, so I'll just draw a 1000 mil guide. So this is the tan radius command. Creates a circle with a specified radius tangent to two objects. So as you can see in the picture, they've done it against two other circles, but I'm just going to do it on two straight lines here. So specify point on object for the first tangent of the circle. So we'll pick this line and the second one here. Specify the radius, let's go 1000, because we like that number, and there you have it. So we have a 1000 mil radius circle on the tangents of these lines. Okay, so let's delete that. And now we're going to do the tan. So we'll just draw an extra guideline here. And let's try this out. So first one, second one, third one. And as you can see, within that triangle, it has drawn a circle which meets all the tangents of each line. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe.